Hey, good afternoon folks, welcome people out of the shop. Got a little something I want to show you here from Aomifunny synthetic soft shackle and tow rope. This box comes with two of these soft shackles, okay? So you got this, you see here on this shackle, it's got this a big knot on the end here, and then on the other end, you're gonna pull that down like that, and that's gonna work through like that right there. Okay, and you get that knot through there, and I'll demonstrate this outside, and that'll become a soft shackle for you. I'm gonna try to do a little demonstration. I don't have any, I'm not going to snatch anybody out of a ditch or anything, but we got some bad weather outside, so I am ready to. But it came with two of those soft shackles, and then of course the rope itself. And I'll leave a description in the video of how long the rope is. But there's our rope, here's our two shackles. So we're going to go outside and set this up for a couple trucks and see how that looks in real life. Y'all stand by. Alright folks, we'll go out here and do a little demonstration on these soft shackles and this tow rope. Got a situation here where could get a call any minute from family or friends. They in the ditch because they driving in the snow. So we're going to see what we can do here with this thing. Y'all stand by for me. Alright, I thought I'd show you a couple ways not to hook it up. That's not how you do it. You get your soft shackles on there. And then of course down on this other end, this other truck, I looped it over the hitch. And that's not how you do it either. So let me show you what you do. Again, you don't want to loop it around that thing there, but that's all you got. That's all you got. So take that soft shackle, around through there, put your loop up there so you get the knot to it, the knot through there, set that down on there, run it back up on that end, right there. Now, what I failed to do, there we go. He's ready to go. Let's go do the other end here. Alright, first thing I want to do is get that hitch out of there. Get that soft shackle. Alright. Get that pin through there. Get that knot through here. Get the other end tow. Alright folks, I got her hooked up there. I got our soft shackle in there behind the pin. I got a rope on the knot. I got a lead on there. If I get that around a little bit more, I would, but I don't. So that right there is going to pull one truck to the other one. We're going to be set up just like that. We got the rope running down through there. Y'all see it right there. There's the other truck right down there. We're ready to pull. So I don't have a need to pull. This is just a demonstration how this thing works in the cold, in 24 degrees, in South Carolina where it shouldn't be. But hey, I believe it's going to be a good tow rope to keep in my truck in case somebody needs me. I ain't looking to snatch Jeeps out of holes or off the side of the mountain. I'm just looking to do a little towing. This is going to work well for me. Works well for me. I believe it worked well for y'all. Y'all give it a look. It might meet your needs. In the meantime, y'all be safe. Be blessed.